The first moon hotel could redefine human civilization. Or it could become the most expensive coffin ever built in space. So before you plan to book and pack your bags, let's uncover the dangers they don't put in the brochure. On Earth, if something goes wrong in your hotel room,
hello, this is room 405.
You call reception.
I was wondering if I could get some ice sent up.
On the moon, if something goes wrong,
we have an emergency.
You have
Possible
10
impact
seconds
on the lower deck.
before your blood starts to boil. Would you still book the room? Every second you stand on the moon, invisible radiation is passing through your body. The hotel can block most of it. But what happens during a solar storm? Engineers say it'll be safe. Radiation shields, underground habitats, AI monitoring. But space has one rule. It only takes one failure to kill everyone inside. Keep this in mind. The first guests at the Moon Hotel won't just be tourists. They'll be test subjects. Because no human has ever lived that long on the lunar surface before. Now imagine this. You finally arrive. After months of training. After signing documents thicker than a legal textbook, acknowledging that your life is your own responsibility. After paying more than most people earn in a lifetime. You float down into a luxury habitat buried under lunar soil. Soft lighting, panoramic Earth view, artificial gravity simulation corridors. It looks perfect.
I never thought I'd see Earth like this.
But here's what nobody tells you. This isn't a hotel. It's a life support machine pretending to be a hotel. On Earth, air is free. On the moon, air is software. Every breath you take is recycled, filtered, reprocessed, monitored. And if that system fails, there's no backup planet outside the door. And now, let me be fair. People think the biggest danger is meteors. It's not. They think it's radiation. That's only part of it. The real tension starts with something much simpler. Gravity. Your body evolved for 1G. Your heart pumps for 1G. Your bones compress for 1G. Now you're living in 1/6 of that. Muscles shrink. Bone density drops. Blood redistributes. Your balance system starts getting confused. For a weekend, it could be manageable. For weeks, months, we don't actually know. And that uncertainty is the first red flag. Now let's step outside. You sign up for the guided moonwalk. This is the moment you've dreamed of since childhood. You take one step and you float higher than you ever have. It feels magical. Until you remember, your entire existence is protected by a suit no thicker than a few centimeters. One microscopic puncture, one seal failure, one unnoticed crack, and you don't slowly suffocate. You rapidly depressurize. And then there's the dust. Lunar dust is not normal dust. It's razor sharp, electrostatic. It sticks to everything. Your suit, the airlock, mechanical joints. And every time someone walks back inside, a little bit comes with them. Not dramatic, not explosive, just slow system decay. The kind that builds quietly. Until one day, a seal doesn't close perfectly. Now imagine you're inside the observation dome. Earth is rising over the horizon, a glowing blue sphere in infinite black. Astronauts call it overview effect. It can change people psychologically. Some feel awe, some feel insignificance, some feel existential panic. And while you're processing that emotional shock, a solar flare alert goes off. Radiation spike incoming. You have minutes to reach a shielded zone. This is not a weather delay. This is physics. And here's the part most people ignore. The Moon Hotel will be marketed as safe. And it probably will be, statistically. Because before you ever go, robotic missions will test the surface. Unmanned modules will run life support systems for months. Astronauts will live there temporarily before civilians ever arrive. But safety in space doesn't mean nothing can go wrong. It means we reduce the probability, and space only needs one failure. Now let's talk about something deeper. Who actually books this trip? It won't be average tourists. It will be people who are bored with Earth. Ultra-wealthy individuals who have already done Antarctica. Deep sea dives. Private islands. For them, this isn't a vacation. It's legacy. I was one of the first humans to sleep on the moon. Some will be risk-addicted billionaires. People who believe money solves complexity. But on the moon, money cannot buy oxygen. Some will be tech founders, space investors, people who see this as a step into civilization 2.0. But here's the uncomfortable truth. They won't just be guests. They'll be early participants in a live experiment. And then there's the most dangerous factor of all. Comfort. When systems run smoothly for months. When no major failures happen. When investors want returns. When media hype builds. Human psychology shifts. Protocols become suggestions. Small shortcuts feel harmless. History shows this pattern clearly. Aviation, nuclear plants, offshore drilling platforms. The first disaster rarely happens because engineers were stupid. It happens because humans got comfortable. And comfort on the moon is an illusion, because outside those walls, the temperature swings from 120 degrees Celsius to minus 170. There is no atmosphere, no rescue helicopter, no emergency hospital 5 minutes away. Just vacuum. So the real question isn't, is the moon hotel possible? It probably is. The real question is, are we psychologically mature enough to run it without letting ego, money, and overconfidence take control? Because the moon doesn't forgive. It doesn't negotiate. It doesn't care how rich you are. Every experience there will feel magical. But every breath you take will be borrowed. So now I'll ask you again. If you had the chance to book the first room, would you go, or would you wait? And see how the first season ends. This is Mind Trail Infinity. We don't just admire the future. We analyze its risks before they become headlines. If you think humanity is ready for this next step, subscribe. If you think we're moving too fast, subscribe. Because the next frontier won't be decided by engineers alone. It will be decided by the mindset we carry into it.